Are you having no clarity in your life? You're just confused, you're conflicted, you're worried. Those are the emotions that cause you to not have clarity. This is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and I'm all about the brain with regards to the emotions and how it is that you can best use your brain to navigate through emotions. So, what do you do for clarity? You focus on the positive emotions. Positive emotions? Yes, you're going to focus on positive outcomes of the worries that are in your life, the conflicts that are in your life. What is confusing you? You're going to look at the outcome as being okay, being excellent, everything being figure outable. So you won't have that confusion or that conflict. Because many times when we cannot see an answer, the brain starts going like this. But that's okay if we don't see an answer. Sometimes answers are not revealed until we take certain steps, and then our brain starts to see other things. So if you allow that confusion or conflict or worry to get started, it's not going to allow you to take any steps. So what are you going to do the three-step thought process, right? The three-step thought process calms the brain so it can start to see solutions to get clarity, and it will do it fast for you. So you're going to want to learn how to do the three-step thought process. You can jumpstart it right now and learn it in under 30 days. It takes less than 2 hours a week to start to learn and implement it so that you actually see results as you're learning. Is that fantastic? So download the PDF guide, get started so that you can start having clarity in your life. This is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and you know I am all about the brain. I'm all about using the brain and helping it to be guided to give you the best results in your life.